Friends, let's think for a second or for a minute if this can be possible. We come forward and go out from our home to earn our bread on daily basis and come to our home at night after doing some work or some job or maybe something else. But let's try something or think, is it possible? Is it possible for this country? Is it possible for this country that the money or the wealth that is earned by our MLAs, MPs, or judges, or big bureaucrats, or big industrialists, is it possible कि हम उनकी सारी प्रॉपर्टी को ले लें? Is it possible that the leaders who say that they are the leaders of India and have properties in other countries, is it possible कि वो सारी की सारी वापस आ जाए? Is it possible? Is it possible that you vote for only democracy and anyone who is doing anything can become the MLAs, MPs, or the ministers, or the maybe the Prime Minister of India? Is it possible? Is it possible that no one think about Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, only everyone says that we are Indians? Is it possible that we cannot talk every time about India? We talk about Indians. Is it possible that everyone, I say again, everyone who is Indian can have some bread at night after doing some necessary work? Is it possible? Yes, sir. Yes, the Indians, brothers, is it possible or not? It will be decided by you, but I am saying, is it possible? Not I am saying again, is it possible? I am saying, yes, this is possible, and this is only possible if you change the strength, if you change the power. And the power must be in the hand of cockroach. Any cockroach. Any cockroach. And friends, this is the necessity. This is the necessity that anyone come forward, any cockroach come forward, और पूरे इंडिया की 10 साल के लिए नसबंदी कर दे. 10 साल, for 10 years. No new birth in India for maybe 10 years, maybe 15 years. And if any cockroach will do this, if any cockroach come forward and will do this, we can change the world. We can change the world. And if we are going with this method of politics, we will nowhere. Definitely we will nowhere. Listen and write it at any corner of your wall that the end will be maybe, I am saying again every time, maybe 6 months, maybe 6 years. You can think this after closing your eyes for some time and thinking that when you go out of your home and the problems, the atmosphere you are facing every day.